Good day. Good day. All right. I am going to show you how to take a canvas or a surface and use this graphite paper that I have in the supply list and transfer your project image, whatever it may be. So you take your canvas and you put it down, and then you put your graphite paper on top, shiny side down, and then you put your picture on top of that. And then you take pencil or a pen or the end of a paintbrush or a stylus, whatever you want, and you simply trace your object that you want to transfer. Now, I'm not going to trace every single detail. That's Lucy. Ignore her. She wants some of my coffee. Believe it or not, my dog loves to drink coffee. Anyway, I'm gonna trace this whole thing. And I'm just gonna trace the main shapes. I'm not gonna trace every detail. I really just want a stencil of this little guy on my canvas so I have an idea of where I'm painting what. Now, this is really an integral part of when you first start painting, coming up with a good composition. And not a good composition, a good painting, as good, it gives you an idea. Excuse me, of where to start. And if you're ever like, did I do that? You can just lift it up like this to see what you missed. All right. Now this graphite paper that I have in my supply list, you don't need much. Like you can use it over and over and over and over and over. Uh, so one set of it goes a long way. And this gives you, and I'm just gonna loosely outline down here where that shadows are. And I'm gonna loosely outline here where the shadows are. I'm gonna add in my snowball. And there's a shadow line here. This just helps me, stay on pace. I'm gonna add the snowflake here so I don't forget it. I'm gonna add in the moon. And then what I'm going to do with the tree is I'm just going to outline the outside of them. Because I'm going to teach you how to do these trees. I just want to know kind of where they start and end. So they're more like triangle shapes. Upside down triangles or upside down V's. And I'm going to put in the snow line down here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And put in just the general shapes of these trees. I'm going to hold my paper down and check the other side. Yep, I kind of thought I forgot this one over here. Double check that. Mm-hmm. Huh. This is where I have tape, so I gotta press down a little harder. Yep, that looks good, pretty good. So now that we did that, you can see the outline transferred and we are ready to paint.